Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your bio profile on the Unfold application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the bio sites option down below. Click on create new and then select the template and tap on the select button down below to start adding your information. Tap on the start fresh button and click on the profile button down below. First of all, you should select an image, a profile and the cover photo as well. Then add your name and tap on the bio description button to add description about yourself. If you go back to the previous section, you can select or add your social networking sites and links as well. In addition to this, you can change the template style here and the background of it as well. And here, if you tap on the preview button, you will be able to see your the layout of your preview with the added information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.